Hi everyone and welcome to my blog of Happy, Healthy and Hungry for More. So today I'm going to share with you a case study where I am going to be talking about Sunil and Radha. Sunil and Radha have been married for 6 years. It's been an arranged marriage, and while things were pretty fine in the first 2 years of marriage, the last 4 years there seems to be some issues that have cropped up. Now Radha has been to a counselor in the first step, and the counselor has suggested that she bring along Sunil with her. To give you a little background about the marital status, both Sunil and Radha come from well-to-do families. They are well educated, financially secure. Both are working in with good jobs. Sunil with an IT company and is also planning to have a startup soon. Radha, on the other hand, now she's also a career woman, but somewhere along the way, in the last 4 years, she feels that their emotional bonding, is not there anymore. There's no physical compatibility. Therefore, the sexual life has also suffered in the last 4 years, and she feels somewhere trapped, in this marriage. So her first step was to visit a counselor, which she did, and she has been asked to bring Sunil along with her, but Sunil has flatly refused. So this is the scenario that they are coming from, and the thing right now is Radha is contemplating divorce. Now, while right now I stand here asking all of you out there to share your suggestions. I do not want anybody to dig into the reasons or be judgmental, but just to give suggestions how they can resolve this issue. From my side, what I have suggested is that very plainly, when we look at counseling, you look at the inner circle first. The inner circle would be just you and your husband, or you and your husband and family. So right now, since there is no child involved, what I have suggested is that communicate with Sunil and tell him that you're feeling stuck. And this is the reasons for being, and talk to them, have a discussion if possible, because she has not had this discussion yet with Sunil, and see if that works in improving the condition. And the second step is to look at, after the inner circle, you go to the next circle, which is of family and friends, which is the elders in the family, the parents, the grandparents, or somebody whom you can talk to, whom you feel you can confide in, your confidant, your go-to person, right? So if there is somebody like that she can also talk to, maybe she can get other ideas of how things can be, maybe his friends, his family, where she can talk to, and they can be guided or together. So that is the other thing. And then if things still don't work out, then yes, it's time to go seeking professional help, and that is by seeing a counselor or a psychologist or a psychiatrist. Now, what I would also like to tell Radha is that there are two ways in which a counselor deals with such cases. One is talk to the individuals independently. You have an independent session for one person and then another person, and then the third time call them together, and so that we can understand both sides of the story, and then start with helping them share more of all aspects of their marriage, personal and individual lives. So many of you may not understand why going to a counselor just 1 or 2 times is not enough. What I would suggest is that you visit a counselor about 5 to 6 sessions. A minimum of 5 to 6 sessions would be required, because sometimes what happens is, the story can be very long, and to come to the crux or the root of the issue can take 3 to 4 sessions. And since both of them seem to have invested in a marriage, it's been 6 years, it's a long time, and it's not like a 1 year kind of a duration. So I believe that they should both work together, cooperate with each other in doing anything that will make this marriage work. So they need to invest their time and energy in in getting to know where the issues are, and try to resolve this through professional help if other things are not working. So I would request you also, all of you out there, to give me suggestions without judgment. And so let's see if we can help out, as a community, to reach out to this person and help out Radha and Sunil. So I just want everybody to share, and thank you so much for your comments. And we will again take up, and I will also take up another issue the next time. So till then, bye for now and take care.